how to take screenshot through double tap on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can back tap on your iPhone and then take screenshot. Let's dive right in. You'll need to head over to your settings and then you need to go to accessibility. There, scroll down, go to touch and scroll down again, and there you'll find back tap. You can head over to double tap or triple tap and then just search for screenshot. Now you can just double tap on the back of your iPhone and then you can see once double tap is detected, your phone will take a screenshot. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.